Hello guys, welcome to Fritzy's channel. We're gonna go shopping for Fritzy as she spills Coke all over the table, and go grocery shopping and go look for a fishing reel for me. And nothing for her. Groceries for Fritzy, groceries for Fritzy.
Okay. See you later, guys.
Hola, Saba.
I think it's just because I can put some like my face notice. You hurt mine. I know. I get hurt. Oh yeah, you're the herder. No, I'm not. You hurt me. No. I saw you were hot on this. Why would you wear a jacket? It will destroy me. Oh. You what? You wear the clothes. Wear this one. This one good. I don't like jacket or anything. Okay, gonna go. It's okay. It doesn't matter. You sound lazy. Are you guys? I'm filming. How much is for viewers? What? How much are viewers?
Let's see. That's all viewers is. 1.1 million.
Wow.
The one's got 1 million. Pippi Vlog. She's got all kinds of vlogs. Pippi Vlog. This chick, she's got all kinds.
So guys, tapos na ako. Larga na tayo. Are you ready? Hello.
Hello.
Are you ready?
Sure.
Okay, let's go.
Are we rocking and rolling?
Hello guys, nasa labas na ako. Umuulan pala dito. Ang lamig. Sobrang lamig dito guys. So dito ako sa labas ng bahay. Ito yung look ng labas ng bahay guys. Ito yung outfit natin for today's video. So guys, we're here in car now. Actually not freezing cold.
Do I have gas? I hope I got gas. Please tell me I have gas.
Need gas?
Nope, don't need gas.
No gas? Jula, why? So ayan na si husband, nakasakay na din. So let's get ready
to rumble!
We can go first. Big 5?
Big 5 Christmas cakes.
Okay, we can go Big 5 guys kasi bibili kami ng ano. Kasi may ano kasi kami yung gift sa wedding namin worth $100 and then bibili kami ng for our fishing guys kasi yung hobby namin ni husband nag-fishing, nag-hunting. As you can see this guys, as you can see that here.
That is an elk.
Yeah.
Let me see.
At the stop sign,
That's an elk horn. Elk antler.
Yeah.
Then turn right onto the highway.
We would be fishing today if it wasn't raining.
Yes, that's raining. Actually, ang plan namin today guys is either mag-fishing kami or either maglilinis ako ng garage kasi sobrang dumi ng garage. So, gusto kong linisan yung garage guys para makapag-workout ako doon, para malagay ko yung ibang gamit doon, saka makapag-workout ako. Gusto ko kasi magano yung jumping rope guys kasi wala akong exercise which is sila ng anak niya nag-exercise palagi and then I not exercise, so I want in the garage to, you know, have a space for exercise. So ayan lang guys.
Is that tomorrow you're talking about? Cleaning the garage?
Well, I said today, but we were both lazy.
No,
It's
somebody
already-
wanted to sleep today.
I'm not sleeping. I wake up early.
Oh, okay. Every morning I wake up at 4:15, 4:30. Do not wake Fritzy up. She sleeps all the way through I go to work. This morning on my day off, she wakes me up at 5 in the morning. Will not let me sleep.
You're in.
Then, when I'm wide awake, it's 7 o'clock in the morning, I'm ready to get up and do the garage, take her shopping. She says, oh no, I'm going to go back to sleep. So she sleeps till 1:30 or whatever. Icky to me. To me.
So guys, naputulan ko na yung buhok ko guys. Ayan. Pinutulan ni husband yung buhok ko kasi sobrang haba na.
Isa ba?
Saka sobrang naglalagas-lagas siya, sobrang haba. Saka naminipis siya, so pinaputol ko kaunti.
And you tell me you could be vlogging 3 weeks we go camping.
Yeah, 3 weeks ago. Oh, 3 weeks?
Yeah, 3 weeks we go up to the mountains.
Oh, May.
29th.
May 29, we can go camping, guys. I'm so excited.
And shooting.
Hunting?
No hunting yet.
Just camping and
we're gonna be shooting.
Okay.
All kinds of guns and targets and have a good time.
You can teach me how to use it?
Yep. I'm
Okay.
gonna vlog you shooting.
Okay, live.
Then she's gonna film me shooting a water jug at 800 yards. We're gonna give it a try. 800 yards. Scooby-Doo-Doo-Doo. Last Saturday, what time is it?
It's 1.
Oh my God, last week at this time we were just getting there. ugly day.
They're hiding.
So anyways, we looked up the high in the Philippines. It's not even close to 57 degrees Celsius. The record in the Philippines is only like 115 degrees.
I don't know.
But it said 57 degrees Celsius.
Well, not in just Philippines club, like every places. Like
She looked every place, it was only like 101, 98,
out there.
97.
Why is this in the news?
127 degrees, you'd be dead. That's what I was thinking. There's no way anybody could survive that.
Yeah, why is this in the news?
I know you'd be sitting like in a microwave.
That's big.
If you didn't have air conditioning at 127 degrees, you die. Because Death Valley is 120 degrees here, and if you don't have air, you die.
Because the page that I share, that I show you, it's indexed for in JB News. It's like,
They're lying.
oh, I don't
You
know.
go online and they say no one can survive that.
It's also I saw because I go to the Google and it's not so hot and it's like it's raining, like almost raining.
What did you do? I'm spitting speech to your eye. Right there's my old truck.
Oh, it's not.
Right there. It's my tree. I own that tree. I used to load this sign up here. Signs. Let me tell you something about signs.
Or the side then.
That sign is not on.
It's not.
They want us to be something they got walk around. See what I'm here. Picture the vice.
So hello guys, hindi pala ako nakapag film ng voice over tayo ngayon kasi nagpapa-music sila ng mga Filipino song kaya mag voice over na lang tayo. So anyway, ang ginagawa ko pala dyan is namili ako ng mga ready food like yung champurrado, arroz caldo, mga bulalo, ganun. Yung mga naka-cups na mga ayan, ganyan. Yung mga binibili ko. Kumuha ko ng 3 dyan. Na klase-klaseng flavor like arroz caldo, at saka Tapos kumuha din ako ng champurrado dyan, guys. Tinitingnan ko nga kung may paylist sila dyan. Wala silang paylist for Pancit Canton. More on Pancit Canton sila. May mga dyan, guys. Yung mga parang binignit. Yung mga para siyang mga kakanin. Kaso hindi ko naman bet, kaya hindi na ako kumuha. Yun lang ang importante na kailangan ko kasi masasayang lang. So yan. Nagdalawang isip ako kung kunin ko o hindi, pero gusto kong subukan. Mukha naman masarap. So, yan, nag-ikot-ikot pa ako. Nagtitingin-tingin pa ako ng anong makukuha. So, nasa ako? Spam. Kumuha ko ng isang spam dyan, guys. Kasi mostly lahat ng mga spam na nakadisplay dyan, hindi ko familiar or baka hindi ko magustuhan ang lasa. So, isa lang nagustuhan ko yung bacon flavor. So, kumuha na ako ng bacon flavor. Kasi yung blue naman na spam ba yun? Wala yung blue. So, yun na lang bacon flavor ang kinuha ko. Tapos, kumuha din ako 2 century tuna. Hindi naman ako palakain ng century tuna. Pag yung ano lang, tinatamad ako magluto or tinatamad, yung wala talagang choice na yan. Kumuha ako ng century tuna. Walang, century tuna pala nila, iba-iba yung flavor. So, wala yung maanghang. So, kumuha na ako na yung flakes in oil. Na century tuna. So anyway guys, yung mga tindera pala dyan lahat sila Filipino. Tapos yan, sa dyan na area, kumuha ako ng bagoong. Ayan, kasi gusto ko mag-crave ng talong, piritong talong, at saka tortang talong. Tapos may bagoong, sarap. Bumili din ako ng mga frozen food last week guys. Try ko magperito, tapos yan, sausaw ko yan sa bagoong. Try ko. Mukha naman sarap. Ang nabawas pala ng buko. Sobrang hawak ng buko guys. Hanggang puwet na. Laki pala nabawas. Kumuha din ako ng crispy fry para mag-fried chicken tayo. Kasi marami pa akong chicken sa sa ref. Ayan. Dyan sa place na yan. Kumuha din ako ng sa cherry ako yan. May Tommy. May mga clover pa ako dito. Hindi ko kinakain kasi parang hindi ako nasarapan. Tapos yun, kumuha ko na may Tommy. Ang sarap na may Tommy na cherry na yan. Tapos yan, dyan sa place na yan, naghanap ako ng dingdong na red. Wala, puro buy bawang. Magbalik ko, try ko yung buy bawang kung masarap. Nice. Pag hindi ko kasi familiar guys, hindi ko kinukuha. Baka masayang lang kasi. Ayan. Laki ng pimples. Alam ko mga pimples. Diyos ko, di na nawawala. Tapos, ayun lang, guys. Ngayon, pupunta na naman kami ng So, nakabili na kami, guys. Oh my God, I almost fell.
What?
I almost fell.
One snail tasted.
So, yun. Where we go next?
Balut.
Okay.
Take some balut. Oh.
Nakabili na ako guys. Ito yung mga nabili ko. Mga champuradong, yung ready to cook na. Iinitin na lang. Microwave, gano'n. Bumili ako ng champurado din. Pero try yung Hershey chocolate ang ilagay ko. Pero maghanap ko ng powder na Hershey chocolate.
Chocolate and powder. Now she has snacks.
So, yan. See you there.
Yes, you do. So don't you worry. No worries.
So, dito na kami guys. Bibili ako ng balut. This or what do you think?
I don't know. This is what you're gonna eat. It's like a Fiat yum.
Is it mango? Isang bagoong. What do they have here?
Oh. I like the way they decorate their bottles and their cans.
Already buy.
Very decorated. This looks like a brain.
Saba. Saba? This is Saba?
Saba? Yeah. Ginger. You want ginger?
It's not Saba. Saba banana.
I think so.
It's not Saba.
I think it is.
It is not. That's weird. It's ginger. So this saba. And what's this? Is this saba too?
You can ask him. It says purple yam. Oh no, that's in the back. Yeah, it's sold by
Can
that.
you ask if I can get half?
No. Yeah, get as many as you want.
What is that? Saba,
A pound. I mean, you can get as many as you want.
$1 LB.
So you just take 4. Take 4 of them off of there.
Like that?
Yeah.
It's okay?
Yeah, it's a pound. They do each one. They weigh each one, love.
What?
They weigh each one. So you can take as many as you want.
So if you half? It's okay.
Yeah.
Maybe they don't
No,
allow.
yes you can. Of course you can. You could take 1 if you wanted to.
I don't know what I know. Japanese. It's not Filipino. Like this. Oh, yeah.
It's like a wilted wiener.
Let's see.
You done filming now?
Yeah.
But
So guys, the next station is Big 4, a Big 5. Uy.
hey, buddy. She's not going. No. I gotta oil that. Yeah, I gotta do some oil and some
Okay, let's
anise
go to
oil.
Big 5.
You guys want some anise oil?
Have you answer me?
What?
I'm asking if you are drive-through in Starbucks.
Am I what?
If you drive through.
Do you want to go to Starbucks right now?
I mean, but you can drive through.
well, we'll go in and get a cup of coffee because I don't know what you want.
Okay, let's go there. I want to drive through. I'm freezing.
Well, someone wanted to dress naked and not wear a jacket. It's cold outside.
Cause you know what, in Philippines, if you are have a Starbucks, then you're social, you are rich.
In the
you're-
United States, if you have a Starbucks, it means you're making money doing porn.
Turn left
Get a
onto Commerce
Starbucks.
Boulevard. Turn right onto Roanoke
You-
Park Expressway.
You're icky.
Where'd you see Starbucks at? 2 of the irregular caramel
Macchiato.
macchiato. However you say that.
Macchiato.
What size?
The 2 of the. Yeah.
What size?
Oh, regular.
You said you wanted 2 of them?
Yeah.
Anything else?
That's it. Thank you.
It's 11:50.
Okay.
Proceed to the route.
Thank you, you little twat bag.
Shut up.
Shh. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh, hey.
Turn right onto Commerce Boulevard. Then turn right onto Roanoke Park Expressway.
We're used to people being mean to us at the things. People are icky do, and Fritzy's icky do,
Why not?
and she's freezing her butt off too because she's icky. She probably gets sick of fucking guys in there gawking at
So
her.
guys, I have my Starbucks.
Hold on,
Turn
we're gonna
right
make these
onto
turns.
Roanoke Park Expressway. In half a mile, turn
Lago-lago Starbucks. Malamig kasi sobrang lamig kasi umulan dito. Kaya nag-order ako ng kape. Baba! Oh my god, oh my god. Umuulan na naman guys, tingnan nyo.
Oh no, I'm gonna crash.
Tingnan nyo yung guys, oh, yung
We made all those lights.
nice.
Shoot! There it is. Look for a real.
Go. Hi guys, dito kami sa Good. So, dito na kami pala sa loob ng guys, Big 5. Hindi ako makapagsalita dyan kasi nag-voice over ako kasi nagpapamusic ulit sila. So, yan pala yung napili ko guys. Eyeglasses lang yung napili ko kasi wala yung mga gusto namin. Like, sa mga fishing, wala yun. Hindi siya kompleto dyan. So, ayun lang, pinili ko ng eyeglasses. Nagsukat-sukat ako dyan. Yan guys. So nakabili na kami nakabili ako guys eyeglasses pero hindi kami nakabili ng Yung needs namin kasi wala doon.
I didn't buy anything.
Could I wear this even it's like it's windy? I mean it's like icky weather.
Oh, that's good.
Love.
That's good coffee.
Yeah, I know you.
You can wear that anytime you want.
Really? Wait, wait. How can I remove this, love? This. So yan na guys.
Did it say polarized? Does it say polarized?
I don't know. What is that?
It's what's it say? Let's see. Where's that little thing you pull?
Here.
Polarized. You can kind of see into the water a little bit.
Why?
The fishermen use it because they can like see the fish swimming and stuff. Because they're all e-shows. You're an e-show.
So pauwi na tayo guys. Ito yung nabili ko eyeglasses.
Look.
No, what is that?
A big knife.
Where's that been?
It's been there forever.
Really?
Yeah, just in case. I'd have to stick someone. Stick them in the book.
It's good, huh?
I don't know where I'm going. Where do I go?
I don't know.
Shit, I'm lost. I lost.
This is good. I like Starbucks.
It is very good. It is actually a pretty good. It's a good cafe.
Yeah.
It's a wacky tobacco.
So far, bagay naman sa atin yung eyeglass. Mukha na tayong banag.
What's love got to do with it?
Alam niyo ba guys, dito ko lang talaga yung dito ko lang talaga yung mga gusto yung mga hindi ko hindi naman sa hindi gusto no, yung mga hindi ko nagawa na for example like ito yung eyeglass, nag-eyeglass tayo kasi nga kailangan or for kasi palagi yung malabas, nag-hunting, nag-fishing, so kailangan natin ng eyeglass. Tapos dito ko rin naranasan yung parang may sombrero, nagbo-boots, nagsapatos, which is hindi ko ginagawa yung nagsasapatos ng buong buhay. Actually nagsapatos ako nung yung pag may mga for example like kukuha ng NBI ganyan, nagsapatos ako, pero hindi ako mahilig magsapatos guys. Chinelas to sandal lang talaga ako. So dito, kaya di ako mahilig sa sapatos, bumili ako ng boots. Kaya ang bakla naka-boots. Di ba? Para tayong dancer of the year. So ayun lang guys. In fairness, Starbucks nila ang sarap.
Doesn't she look cute with her little outfit? The glasses. She looks cute. Punch the fuzz. Punch the face.
Ah, why? Punch my.
Punch hard. Police man.
niyo yung mountain, guys.
Wait till we're filming. We gotta get power box because
I need power bank for our phone. No, we need to buy an original power bank before we can go to the car.
yes, but we have to have it all fully charged.
Yeah, and also I charge the Samsung.
There's nowhere to charge it up there.
Yes, there's the Samsung. But 3 days there, right? So it's like it's enough.
What?
3 days. This battery stays for 2 days because I
Use
have.
my phone.
Yeah, use your phone. So this is the way where our house, guys, here in California.
Those aren't no clouds. Those are UFOs. The sky's gonna be clouds. Like mountain.
So we're here. Nagpapawin na kami, guys. Ay, nagbahay namin. Coffee?
No, you can have this.
You're wasting. So ito na yung ano, guys, grocery. All mine. So see you there inside. Bye. So dito na tayo sa bahay, guys. So guys, ito yung pinamili ko. Bumili ako ng saba na saging. Ewan kung saba ba ito, basta nakalagay doon saba. Sibuyas, onion, garlic, ahos. At bumili ako ng talong kasi magtorta ako ng talong, guys. Don't forget the balut. Kamahal, guys, tag 120 pesos kung ano na to, ay kung doon sa atin sa Pilipinas. And I buy spam. Tapos yung mga ano ready to made na chicken, beef goto, ars caldo, bumili din ako. Saka biscuit ni Hansel, saka ano, chicheria kay Tony. May tumi and champurado, guys. At saka crispy fry, saka ano, bagoong, guys. Tapos century tuna. Wala ko nadala akong century tuna. Di na ako palagi kumakain ito kasi maalat. Tapos bumili ako ng pork cubes kasi minsan nag-adobo ako or naglalaga. At yun lang, guys, yung pinamili natin. So i-arrange na natin. See you again later. So ito yung dinner ko for tonight, guys. Kasi ito yung mga nabili ko kanina sa Filipino store. Talong, saka bumili ako ng bagoong. Tapos fried ako, tas Coke. So yan lang, guys. Dito natatapos ang ating vlog. Thank you. See you in another vlog. Bye.